So we're here to address a sound that we've been getting out of our Ford F-350 2012 model. This kind of sounds like an air compressor running. Should kick up here in a minute. There we go. So the problem seems to be coming underneath your EGR. There's a module inside there that we'll be changing out. So we're going to be taking this tube loose all the way from the EGR across, and I'll show you that module once we get it apart. Alright, so first up here we're going to go ahead and take these coolant hoses here, move them out of the way. Move them out of the way. We'll take this clip here off, and we'll undo this boot here. That'll allow us to have access down here to the module that we're about to change out. Alright, so the clamp's loose, that's loose. We'll go ahead and pop it out of here and let's see what it looks like underneath. Alright, so here it is. We ended up having to take this tube in here off. I just took out 4 bolts. I left the wire connected. It's not really in the way, so this was the hose we took off, and then it connected into this here. So as you can see in a lot of videos, guys are talking about the EGR and how disgusting it is, and this one does have a lot. So I'm going to try to clean that up a little bit. Then we're going to get in here with 2 8mm, get these 2 8mm bolts out, swap this module out, and put it all back together. Alright, well I tried to get in there and clean some of that up. I thought it'd be kind of dry, but man, this stuff's got like a lot of oil or something in it. It's real pasty whenever you go to scrape it off. So yeah, you got a little bit of it cleaned off. As you can see inside here, there's still not built up inside there, so all good reasons to do an EGR delete, but we're not going to do one right now. Maybe that's something we can do here in the future, but for now we're just going to replace this little piece here. It's got 1 cable coming into it, wiring harness, and 2 vacuum lines here. Alright, so for any of you guys want to do this, here's the part number. It's a direct replacement. Got the plug in, the 2 vacuum lines there. Here's the box it comes in. And there it is. We'll go ahead and get this dude put in there and show you what it looks like when we get done. Alright, so that's about it. All put back together. A little dirty, but we'll get that cleaned up and fire it up, see how she runs.